Sepanjang sejarah umat manusia, pesan-pesan ilahi seringkali diselimuti misteri. Nabi, Mesias, atau dengan nama mana saja yang Anda panggil, mereka sering dianiaya dan ditindas. Ajaran mereka dikaburkan. Tapi, bagaimana kita membedakan yang benar dari yang salah? Untuk membedakannya, seseorang hanya bisa andalkan bimbingan ilahi, dan kebenaran menunjukkan sendiri pada mereka yang sungguh mencari. Dalam bagian sebelumnya, kita telah mempelajari bahwa rahmat yang luar biasa telah dianugerahkan pada saat yang sangat penting ini, penghakiman akhir oleh Sang Juru Selamat dunia yang dikenal dengan Ratu Adil, Ratu Keadilan, atau Satrio Piningit, Satria Tersembunyi. Seperti Prabu Jayabaya tekankan dalam nubuat-nubuatnya, manusia harus dengan ikhlas mencari penyelamatan darinya dengan secara tulus bertobat dan mengikuti ajaran-ajaran mulia Sang Ratu. Beliau mengatakan,
"Mula den upadinen, sinatrio iku wus tanpa bapa lan bibi lula, wus apupus weda Jawa, mung ngandelake trisula, landhepe trisula, pucuk arupa suthik gegawe pati utawa utang nyawa, sing tengah sirik gegawe kapitunaning liyan, sing pinggir tolak colong jupuk winarna."
Bait ini menunjukkan bahwa Satrio Piningit, Sang Juru Selamat, tidak berbapa dan berbibi, seorang yatim piatu, bermakna pada ikatan keluarga. Sebagai biarawati yang ditahbiskan, Mahaguru Qinghai sungguh telah melepaskan ikatan dunia agar dapat mengabdikan dirinya melayani seluruh dunia. Atau hal ini bisa berarti bahwa beliau sungguh tidak memiliki orang tua seperti yang diungkapkan oleh Mahaguru Qinghai beberapa puluh tahun lalu, bahwa beliau hanya meminjam tubuh seorang anak yang telah meninggal untuk berada di dunia ini untuk misinya. Bait-bait ini lalu menggambarkan simbol spiritual Sang Juru Selamat yang disebut Trisula, di mana bagian-bagiannya menyimbolkan prinsip-prinsip tidak membunuh, tidak menyakiti orang lain, dan tidak mencuri dan mengambil hak orang lain. Sila-sila universal ini sangatlah tepat seperti apa yang Mahaguru Qinghai mengajarkan sebagai standar dasar bagi kemanusiaan.
All these 5 precepts, no killing, no stealing, no telling lies, no sexual misconduct, and no intoxicants. These are only to protect you morally, health-wise, and for the social peace. Is far from being a saint yet. Being a saint is much more demanding, yes. Not only we have to keep the precepts as being a human, not only we should just adhere to the compassionate diet, but we have to also help others, yes.
Supreme Master Ching Hai has been arranging loving contributions for the most vulnerable victims of the COVID-19 virus in different countries with all love and sorrowful prayers in heaven's bountiful mercy.
etc.
Supreme Master Ching Hai is deeply grateful to the beloved God for all the financial help, comfort and support to the afflicted and needy, and or any good cause over the years, as a humble vessel for Here's compassion and love toward Here's precious children.
Dene besok nuli ana tekane kang tunjung putih, semune pudak kasungsan. Bumi Mekah denya lair, iku kang angrotani jagat kabeh ingkang mengku. Juluk ratu amisan sirep musibating bumi. Wong nakoda milu manjing samuan.
Mari kita melihat bait ini satu demi satu. Pertama, ini mengacu pada Sang Juru Selamat sebagai teratai tunjung putih, yang warna putihnya berarti kesucian dan kemurniannya pada awalnya tersembunyi di bawah permukaan air. Bait ini kemudian mengungkapkan bahwa Sang Juru Selamat adalah yang memerintah dunia dan memangku seluruh jagat raya. Kata memerintah berkaitan dengan Ratu Adil adalah sangat berbeda dengan cara duniawi memerintah. Kekuatan yang beliau miliki tidak seperti yang dimiliki oleh raja atau presiden di bumi, karena dengan kekuatan ini dia bisa memangku, mengurusi bukan hanya dunia ini, tapi juga seluruh jagat raya.
And I have been shopping, imagine. I go into that cosmic supermarket, huh? And I pick out what I need, pick out like the power to make better world and repair the world, repair the universe, repair the human heart, and trying to steer the souls of this world into a better direction, a more holy and more peaceful direction. The cosmos united, okay? And when the cosmos united, then peace will come. But before the cosmos united, there has to be a great force of love, true love, real love, that makes it happen.
Nice.
It takes one with sincerity and spiritual power to do that. Has to be real love, unconditional, truly deep, profound, compassionate love. And heaven told me that the cosmos was so moved by such a great love and became united. That is the word that they said to me.
Master, could we know whose great love united the cosmos?
Yeah. Actually, heaven told me more in detail whose love, but I cannot reveal it, okay? It will damage the peace, yeah? Because of Maya. So, maybe I just say from M's love, yeah?
Thank you, Master.
And then the cosmos will unite. Because when the Big Bang came, the creation came, everything scattered all over, yeah?
Yes, Master.
And now they're united, yeah? So they don't war against each other, they don't compete against each other, huh?
Yes, Master.
And then the universe will be at peace, the world, different worlds with different planets will be at peace, not just our planet.
Bait ini juga mengatakan bahwa orang mengenalnya sebagai Ratu Amisan, artinya pemimpin yang sangat sederhana dan sangat rendah hati. Begitu mengetahui tentang beliau, banyak orang tersentuh hatinya dengan kehadiran Mahaguru Ching Hai akan kehidupan sederhananya. Guru juga memberitahu kita betapa beliau suka menjalani hidup yang sederhana dan cukup mandiri sendiri di alam. Tempat-tempat terpencilnya berada di berbagai negara membuktikan hal ini. Bahkan untuk membantu manusia dan hewan yang menderita, guru sering mengorbankan kesukaan dan keperluan pribadinya saat beliau berbagi kehadiran, kenyamanan, dan bimbingannya dengan publik. Yang paling penting dari semuanya, Prabu Jayabaya meramalkan bahwa Ratu Adil, Ratu Keadilan, akan meringankan semua penderitaan di bumi. Melalui beragam upayanya, Mahaguru Ching Hai memimpin dunia menuju dunia vegan, dunia damai, agar dapat menyelamatkan dunia dari berbagai penderitaan yang telah disebabkan oleh pembunuhan manusia dan hewan. Dan segala hal di sekitar kita, kita melihat bahwa kehidupan manusia dan hewan meningkat, khususnya bagi yang lemah dan tertindas. Semua ini sedang terjadi sekarang di bawah pemerintahannya, pemerintahan yang mengangkat dari Sang Ratu Keadilan.
Justice for the animals.
In the night, when all things are quiet and most humans are asleep, I often pour my heart out to the animals, telling them how much I care for them and how much I would do anything to stop their suffering. The day will arrive when we, humans and animals, can live together like family members.
We'd like to thank the Supreme Master Ching Hai for this amazing donation, and you've supported us so many times in the past, and we can assure you this money will be used to stop animal abuse around the world.
This donation helps us in our mission to create a better world for people and animals, and in our day-to-day struggle to have enough money to maintain this place as it is.
Your support fuels undercover investigations, legal victories, corporate commitments, and social impact programs that create a kinder future for farmed animals.
Mengucapkan terima kasih atas dukungan yang diberikan oleh Supreme Master Ching Hai untuk semua kegiatan operasional kami, terutama dalam penyelamatan orang utan.
Le véganisme, c'est vraiment l'alimentation du futur, c'est quelque chose qu'on doit défendre. Au nom de toute l'association végétarienne de France, l'équipe salariée, les bénévoles, je voudrais remercier de tout cœur Maître Suprême Ching Hai et son association pour ce prix qui va nous permettre de continuer nos efforts pour créer un modèle alimentaire qui soit plus durable et qui soit plus paisible.
And for most people in the world, it seems crazy, 3D printed on meat. So it's amazing to discover from the other side of the world, literally, somebody who believes in what we're doing and supporting us because they know how important it is. And I'm hoping to meet the Supreme Master at one point of time.
Estimated contributions to date from Supreme Master Ching Hai for animal protection, $6,834,889 and for vegan food development and vegan lifestyle promotion, $16,704,866. Etc.
Justice for children.
Please stop it. Please stop torturing your babies and children, or and yourself, or and your friends. Wake up, wake up, wake up. There's no such God that makes your baby suffer.
Justice for war victims and refugees.
You make women become widows, make men become cripples, make children become orphans, make parents become bereaved of their beloved children. Why? Why? The leaders of the world, answer yourselves, answer to God. No one who kills God's children this way will get away with it. Heaven's watching. If it hadn't been for us, the Supreme Master Television and the disciples who has been good and virtuous and praying, meditating, then the energy would have been all dark, okay?
Yes, Master.
Our world would have been doomed long time already. But we see some little light at the end of the tunnel right now. Many leaders are making peace with each other.
Some of the most recent peace events. Etc.
I thank all the countries who help, those in need, especially the strangers who came to their land. Because in the Bible it says, be kind to strangers, because you are also strangers in the land of Egypt.
Je voudrais remercier le maître pour les $53 000. Nous en ferons bon usage. Nous continuerons à héberger des gens ici, sur ma ferme. Nous continuerons à construire des cabanes modestes, mais qui permettront de protéger les gens. Nous continuerons à leur donner à manger, à les nourrir, à les soigner et à les défendre.
And we will do justice to this award by continuing to do our best for the migrant workers.
Some of Supreme Master Ching Hai Vegans' donations for refugees.
Estimated contributions to date from Supreme Master Ching Hai for refugees, $4,074,575 etc.
Justice for the underprivileged.
In this world, nobody ever had to go hungry. We can give them financial assistance so they can start their own business. We can give them land, whoever needs land, to cultivate vegan food. I remember when I was in Europe and I happened to read a newspaper from England. It told a story of a boy in Africa somewhere that all he needs is just 30 pounds. Then he can take care of his whole family, meaning he can cultivate the land. That's all he needs. So I sent him a check of 100 pounds, or more than that, I can't remember. What I mean is, it doesn't take much for people to take care of themselves. And it's a pity that these hardworking people, sincere people, still need to be hungry, because they don't have the means to take care of themselves. I do what I can only. But if everyone does what he can, even as humbly as I do, the world will be a heaven on earth. No one would ever have to experience sickness or, be lacking of anything, being hungry, cold, that no one takes care of.
感谢，非常的感谢，咱请爱上师每一年来送互阮这个伫外口啊，无通穿的顺尔，啊，来互阮一个温暖的心。
The Supreme Master चिंगाई का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, चूँकि यहाँ आकर ब्राह्मणों को कंबल, कैप एंड मौजा वितरित किए हैं.
Cha chị gửi lời cảm ơn sư phụ đã chiếu cố cho họ sĩ nhờ cố Bình Định.
I would like to thank the Supreme Master for this very generous donation. And she must realize that this goes so far in helping all the children that we operate on, and every footstep they take for decades to come will be changed because of the help that she's given to the children.
و امروز خدا به وسیله استاد چینگ های سرمایه اولیه این مؤسسه را به ما هدیه داد.
I was walking and they called me and they said, Danny, we just got $20,000. And I started to cry because I felt that God had heard my prayer.
Watching out for our brothers and sisters around the planet who do not have clean water to drink. And this means all the world to us, and it's just the beginning.
Myself and a family, our house was away, and now Supreme Master Ching Hai give us some finance so we can fill our house again.
我々もぜひ復興の弾みにしていきたいと思っております。
On behalf of the Nigerian Red Cross Society of Ogun State, we really appreciate the Supreme Master Ching Hai. God bless her.
Estimated contributions to date from Supreme Master Ching Hai for the underprivileged, the homeless, orphans, etc. $7,737,328 Disaster victims $22,032,183 Pandemic victims $4,000,000 Environmental protection $1,486,780 The arts and culture $648,106 Religious and spiritual groups $1,702,805 Various other benevolent causes $7,884,542 Total estimated contributions to date $73,106,072 These estimates do not include many other donations that Master gave quietly or spontaneously without documentation, or for which we lost track of records, nor do they include new donations made since the time of this calculation.
Supreme Master Ching Hai is deeply grateful to the beloved God for all the financial help, comfort, and support to the afflicted and needy, and/or any good cause over the years, as a humble vessel for His compassion and love toward His precious children.
Terima kasih para pemirsa penuh kasih telah bersama dengan kami hari ini.